So tell me about the number of favorable outcomes. Tell me the number of favorable outcomes here. This
9
means
plus 51.
no. Number of favorable outcomes. That was number of people who have. I made a mistake. Who have car. Who have only car. So number of favorable
So
outcomes.
9.
This will be 51. Which means favorable outcomes means who have both. Which means
Okay.
C intersection J. We can also consider this as C intersection J. Which means number of people who have both car and also the job. So divided by, we will divide this by total number. Total number means like number of cars, NC. So this is also the representation of this formula, number of C intersection J divided by number of C. So number of favorable outcomes here will be 51 and total number of outcomes will be 60 because we also calculated total number of outcomes because we need to put this value 60 here. So this will be 51 divided by 60. When we divide, then our answer will be
17 over 20, so 0.85.
okay. Yes, we can also write 17 over 20 and also we can write the answer in the points.
Okay.
So this is the solution for this question here. Our new topic was probability. So formula for probability is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes.
Okay.
Okay, now write this. And also here we studied about Venn diagram. 51 is the intersection. And here if we write this and then tell me how we will take the, like if we will take the union of C and J. So tell me the common number. Which portion then share which portion will we will shade for the union of C and J.
Union of C and J would be this this part.
This is union or intersection?
Union?
This is the symbol of intersection means common. Okay?
Yeah.
And this is intersection means all the part. Means C and J intersection, like any person which is in C and also any of the person, like all person in C and all, we will include all the person in C which are in C and also which are in J. So union
Will it be this
means
whole thing?
yes, whole thing. We will shade the whole region. This is for union. Union mean we will shade whole region, and intersection mean we will shade the common region. Common region is in between here. This is intersection and whole region is the union. It's clear now? It's clear now?
Yes.
Okay, now write this. If you wrote this, then tell me. We'll move towards next question.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, wait a minute. I will join you in a while. Wait a minute. Okay, thank you. Okay, next question is this one. So have you any idea about this question?
No, I'm not sure about this one.
Okay, this is a different one. Okay, now we will solve this one. This is this here we have a circle and also okay, this is tangent of circle. This is circle and this is the tangent of a circle. So our question is A, B and C are points on the circumference of a circle with center 0, like A, B and C are the points on the circumference of the circle. This is the circumference. This whole area of the circle is the boundaries of the circle. Like if we cover all this area and also boundaries, so this will be circumference. So a circumference of the circle with the center at O. These are the points on circumference. DA and DC are tangents to the circle. So DA and DC, these are tangents to the circle. Angle ABC is equals to 64 degrees. Angle ABC ABC. So ABC, this is 64 degrees. Work out the value of x. So here is x. We need to find the value of this x. And only one angle is given, which is 64 degrees, that one. So how we will find this x?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Okay. So also here, if we consider this portion, so this is quadrilateral, I think. Like this portion, because x is inside this portion. So this is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral, and also we know that sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral must be equals to 360 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay. But here angles are not given. So first we will find these angles. So this is x, and this is not given. And this is also the center angle, like angle at the center of this circle. So we will find this angle, and we know that angle at the center of the circle is twice of that angle. This will be twice of that angle. So this will be 2 into 64. We will write here.
So 128.
Yes, 128. 2 into 64. Yes, this angle is 128. Now these two angles are remaining. So if we look from here, so this is right angle. What do you think? This is right angle. This is a straight line, and this is right angle. These two lines create a right angle, which means this angle will be equals to how many degrees?
90.
Yes, similar case with this one. This will also equals to 90 degrees, because this is also right angle. When we look from here, so this is also right angle, because this is a straight line. This is perpendicular line to this base. So this is also 90 degrees. So here this is x, this is 90 degrees, this is that was 128, and this is also 90 degrees. And we are considering this quadrilateral. And we also know that the sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral must be equals to 360 degrees. So we will write this formula. We will equate these. We will write this like 360 degrees equals to 90 plus 90. We will add all these angles plus x. We will add all these angles inside this quadrilateral. 128. Now we will solve this further for x. So solve this further and then tell me the answer. We will simply solve this.
Okay.
Okay. So here we will subtract these angles, like 360 minus 90 minus, like minus 90 minus 90 minus 128. Yes, okay, now tell me the final answer after solving this.
52.
Yes, 52 is the right answer. So here in this question, the only technique which we used, that was angle at the center of the circle is twice the angle at the circumference of the circle. This is the statement which we will use here. I am also writing this.
Okay.
Like angle at the center of circle, because this O is center of that circle. Is twice the angle at the circumference of the circle. the distance here, the distance which is at the boundaries, like when we if we take a rod and we rotate this rod in the form of the circle, and then when we will again re-rotate this one, like when we will straight this rod, so the length of that rod which made a circle is the circumference of that circle, whole length. This length is circumference, and this is the angle at circumference. And here we will use the definition, like angle at the center of the circle is twice the angle at the circumference of the circle. So this will be 2 into 64. This is the only technique which we used here, and also these are two right angles. So that's why we wrote 90 degrees.
Okay.
Is this question clear?
Yes.
Okay, now write this definition if it's needed. Then we will move towards next question.
Okay, done.
Okay. Okay, so this is Venn diagram question. So
Yeah.
here our first part is, okay, now we will solve this one. I think Venn diagrams are not clear. So this set is equals to 8 into 10 power minus 1, 0.8, and here 8 is recurring, which means repeating, and repeated 8 is repeated here in this decimal number. Next is 8%, and the last one is square root of 0.08. So here our two sets are A and B. First one is A is equals to A such that 0.08 is less than A, which is less than or equal to 0.8. And next set is B is equals to B is such that B is greater than or equals to 0.8. So here first we will check these numbers, like we will convert these numbers into decimals. We will convert all these numbers into similar form, like in decimals, and then we will write all these numbers. We will fill the diagram. Okay, fill the diagram.
Okay.
With the help of these numbers, and then at the end I think we will also check like which one is A, which one is B, and which one is we will check the union and also intersection. Okay, so this is 8 into 10 power minus 1. Tell me this number in this is the power number. This is the number with powers. So tell me
Yeah.
the number in points. Like how we will convert
0.8.
Yes, this will be 0.8. Okay, now convert. Okay, next one is already in points. So our first number here is 0.8. Next one is 0.88. Like here 8 is recurring, like 8 is repeating. So we can write this one. Next one is 8%. 8%. How will convert 8?
So 0.08.
Yes, this will be 0.08. Next one is square root of 0.08. Okay, now solve this and then tell me the answer.
Square root of 0.08 will be 0.2. 0.2828.
Okay.
It will repeat.
Okay, repeating. So okay, we can write 0.2828. It's enough, and so on. Okay, it's enough. Okay, now we will put the values in or A set, like in the diagram we will put the value in A portion. So this is 0.08 is less than A, which is less than or equal to 0.8, which means A is greater than. A is greater than 0.08 and also less than, okay, and also A is less than and equal to 0.8. Okay, now check from above, like which decimal numbers will include in this A set. Which decimal numbers are included in this A set?
0.8.
Okay. 0.8 will be include. Only 0.8 will be include or something?
No. And 8 to the power of 8 into 10 to the power of minus 1, the first one.
First one will include, like first one is 0.8. Okay, so here 0.8. Okay, first one 0.8 will be included because A is equal to 0.8. Okay,
Yeah.
0.8 will be include. So here we can again write our sets, because in
Yeah.
the diagram we only write the numbers which are similar in both we will write here, and the numbers which are not similar which are not similar, so we can write here A and B. So here we will write our sets. So this will be, here we have I think two numbers. 0.28 will also include. That was 0.28 or 2.28? I think I made a mistake. But
It was 0.28.
yes, this is 0.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Yeah.
that's why this will also include in our A set.
Yeah.
So this will be 0.28. Yes, 2828. And next number is 0.8 will also include. So this is our set A. Okay, now tell me about set B. This is B is greater than or equal to 0.8. So which numbers are greater than or equal to 0.8?
8 into 10 power minus 1.
Okay, yes, we can write. We can write 8 into 10 power. Okay, I am writing 0.8. Both are similar, so
Then 0.8. Yeah.
yes, and only this one, or okay, greater
I think only those two. The first two, I think.
first two. Yes, second one will also include 0.88 because this is greater than 0.8 and 0.88 is greater than 0.8. So these are two sets. These are two sets. Now we will locate these sets in our this twin diagram. So tell me the common number here from both sets.
0.8.
0.8. So here we can write, or we can write 8 into 10 power
minus 1.
Because this is because a question was present in this form. So that's why.
Yeah.
So here this is power is minus 1. Okay. So this is the common. Okay. So this one is common. This is here, but you can consider this as common number intersection. Okay, so tell me the number which we will write here in A portion.
In A, we'll write 0.2828.
Which means we will write square root of
0.08.
Okay, 0. We will write square root of 0.08. Okay, now tell me about B part, like which number we will write here in B portion.
0.888 the recurring one.
0.8. Okay, which means 0.8. Okay, now one is remaining. So tell me about that one. Like one number is remaining. Which one? 8%.
8%.
So what we will do with this one?
This one will go in A, I think.
Okay, 8% means 8% means 0.8.
0.8.
0.08. Yes, this is 0.08.
We'll
So
go in A.
8% is 0.08. Okay. So I think we will write this here. What do you think? Means this is not included in A and also not included in B. This number was not included in any one, no?
Oh, it's greater than. Okay.
Yes, because A was greater than that number. And in B also this was not included. So the number which is not included in both, so that number we will write here outside this Venn diagram, outside these two circles. So 8% will be here. Okay.
Okay.
We will write this here because this is not included in both of sets. So that's why we will write here. Okay, so this is all about this question. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, now write this if it's needed.
Okay.
Have you these question papers in soft form? Hard form?
No, I don't have them in hard form.
Okay.
This one I don't have, but I have May, June, Feb, March.
Okay. Also, you revised those papers?
I think I did for variant 2.
Okay. Okay, so I will provide you 2 papers for our next class. You have to solve these by yourself. Okay.
Okay, I've written it.
You done? You done this?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. The next one is also about the Venn diagram. So now we will solve next one. This is shade. Okay, here we need to shade the portions. Shade the region A union B and whole intersection B, determinant of B in the Venn diagram. Okay, so A union C. A union C means which portion? What is meant by A union C here? Like we will shade which portion for A union C?
A union C is the part A and C.
Yes, A union C means whole portion of A.
And whole portion of C.
Yes, like we will include this whole and also we will include this whole portion of C. Okay, now tell me about how we will take the intersection of this one with B determinant. Tell me about B determinant. Like if I am making circles, these circles here. Okay, consider these. Yeah, okay, so here, tell me about B determinant.
It means everything other than B.
Yes, everything other than B. Okay, so which means we can shade for B determinant. We can shade every portion, all portion except this B. Like except this portion, we can shade all the portion. Okay, this is
Okay.
B determinant. Okay, now take the intersection. Intersection of B determinant, like intersection of this with that one. So which one is common? Which portion will be common? I think
Common would be
I will make this diagram again because that was very poor. Okay. So this is our new diagram. Okay.
would this be
This will be common. Like this will be our final answer. A
I
union
think so.
C intersection B determinant. Okay, B determinant means like except that one we will shade all the portion.
Yeah.
I can also use some kind of highlighter if here. Okay. Which means here this portion is. Okay, let it go. Okay, now okay, so this is the B determinant. So B determinant in A union C intersection B determinant means for B determinant we will consider this portion and also this whole portion except this B.
Okay.
Except this B. So intersection will be, I think, I will change the color. Okay. So intersection will be, I think, this portion. This is again same.